Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Do subscribe or follow this channel for more knowledgeable videos and tutorial. This is basically a very short tutorial as one of my friend requested me to give him the solution of the problem he was facing. So basically this is like controlling the color of an object using variables, right? So as you can see, this is I'm currently sharing my screen. So this is the gray apple, and wherever like whatever the color I'm going to click, the apple is going to like the color of an apple is going to be changed into the respective color, right? So this is the phenomena. Like in case if you have any object and you want to control its color specifically by just variable, so this is the flow we are going to create in it, right? Okay, let's quickly jump here. We have like a frame, any of the object or any frame you have, and then the object whose color is being is basically going to be controlled with these different colors, right? So first I'm going to create the variables currently here. So keep in mind variables are the biggest thing in the Figma that probably most people don't know, but they really help us to foster the design, right? So you don't have to select anything. You just need to quickly go into the variables, and here there are different kind of variables like colors, numbers, strings, booleans, and everything. But currently in this tutorial, I'm just talking about the color variables, right? So I just need to create the color here, and I'm going to write it basic color, right? Or like whatever you want to mention it. I'm just going to pick that color. That first is obviously need to be visible to you guys, right? Then by just picking it, I'm just going back and clicking that object, and I'm going to here to apply that variable to that an object, right? So it's done pretty good, right? It's a pretty simple thing. Now I'm going towards the prototype, and here I'm just going to add an interaction, and based on interaction, I'm just going to interact going to create an interaction based on the objects or the colors I want to imply, like I want to implement there, right? So I'm just going to create an interaction here and trigger obviously on tap, and then I'm going to set variables, right? And here we have two options. One is target and other is value. So our target is this basic color that we created earlier, and now the value is basically that we want to set here, right? Quickly, I'm just going to set same interaction. Action is going to be set variables. Target is basic color, and then value that I want to bring here is this color, right? Then same for the next. Let me quickly do it. So yes, the target is basic color. Then we have the action here, right? That's pretty good. Then we have this. Now we have to apply on interaction, set variables, right? Basic color, and then we are going to apply this color, right? And then the last one, remaining interactions, action is set variables, right? And target is done, and the last one is done. Okay, so we have implemented like the targeted variables colors to change into that one as well. So pressing shift space bar, and then it's going to visible here. So you can just quickly click any of the color, and it is boom. So it is working properly. Why it is not working? Oh, probably that is due to the inside of that one. Yeah. Okay. Now everyone is working and we are happy. But yeah, that's how basically you control the color changes with the variables and advanced prototyping as well. So in case if you want tutorials like this that can help you, let me know. I'll be creating them, and see you soon in the new video or in the new tutorial back there on any of my social media channel as well. Take care. Signing out. Thank